Hi guys, in today's video we're going to go through the recent bonuses from Chase. If you open a new checking account, you will be getting $300 bonus guys, and after you complete the steps it will only take 15 days for the bank to send you the money. This is what we're talking about. So first of all guys, let's go through the steps. First thing first, this offer is for eligible new Chase customers who are open a new checking account from Chase. The step number one is to open a new checking account from Chase. I do have my affiliate link pinned in the comments underneath guys. Last year I used this offer. I got $200 for myself, so everything is good over there. There is a particular expiration date in this offer. It is April 17th. Okay, so you want to make sure that if you're interested, you take into consideration the time frame. After you open the account with the link down in the description and the comments, of course, you will have 90 days to set up a direct deposit. When you do that, you go on your app, you download Chase mobile app, okay, you create your account, then you go to the direct deposit section and you set up direct deposit with your employer or whatsoever. Okay, then after everything is completed, if you're approved, right, you will get your money in 15 days. Now the important part over here is that Chase checking accounts, like every major bank, has a monthly service fee, but you can actually skip the fee if you keep $1,500 only inside as a balance, and they will stay there for every single day. This is how I did it. Otherwise I don't want to pay monthly fee. So it's very simple, because if I go and check the other bonus offers in other banks, some of the banks will ask me to keep $5,000, $10,000, right? It's ridiculous. And here we're just talking about $1,500, which in my opinion is very reasonable. So if you guys are interested, the link is pinned down in the first comment of the video. It's my affiliate link. So you want to make sure that if you're looking to get a good deal, I think this is a very reasonable offer for $300 from Chase, the biggest bank in the US. And also you're going to get the money in just 15 days. Some banks out there will make you to wait 3 to 6 months. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.